Hey tech lovers, welcome to our channel. Today we're exploring the world of augmented reality with the latest innovation from Oppo, the Oppo Air Glass 3. This prototype, unveiled at MWC, hints at exciting possibilities for the future of wearable tech. Before starting the video, please subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon for the latest tech updates. Oppo Air Glass Legacy. Oppo's journey began with the Oppo Air, displaying notifications, followed by the Oppo Air Glass 2, which is equipped with Oppo's self-developed Spark micro projector, cutting-edge micro LED, and a bespoke diffraction optical waveguide display. Oppo Air Glass 3 features. Now, the Air Glass 3 takes a leap forward. With its self-developed resin waveguide display, it offers a wider field of view and increased brightness, promising an immersive experience. Supports 4 different user interactions through touch, voice, head movement, and hand motion, allowing users to have faster and easier access to the information they need. Powered by AI. Powered by Oppo's AI model, accessible via a smartphone app. The Air Glass 3 offers generative AI capabilities, enabling seamless user interactions, touch interaction. Moreover, its multimodal AI technology allows processing of various data types, from text to audio, making voice and visual commands a breeze. Touch interaction further enhances user control, adding intuitive navigation options. Features. In development. Features like health monitoring and real-time translation promise to elevate the Air Glass 3's capabilities, breaking barriers in communication and wellness. Price. You can buy it from various online sites at a price of $599. Oppo's vision for the Air Glass 3 paints a promising future for AR smart glasses. You might already know that the recently released Apple Vision Pro was very modern and visionary, which is very different from this Oppo Glass. So divorce. What are your thoughts on the Oppo Air Glass 3? Would you consider trying it out? Share your opinions in the comments below and stay tuned for more exciting updates.